types of data. So I want us to look at the last type of data, which is dictionaries. And dictionaries are really cool, especially if you are into data analytics. And in fact, most of unstructured data comes in forms of dictionaries, and even databases like MongoDB stores their data in this kind of format. If you are going to work with social media data for marketing analytics, then in most cases you're gonna be dealing a lot with the dictionaries. So what are dictionaries? So dictionaries are very almost similar to list, except that they are used to store data values in terms of key and a value. So it's like you have got you can use that key to call a specific type of data, and they are ordered, changeable, but they do not allow duplicates, which is a very super cool element of a dictionary. So if you have a duplicate in your dictionary, the last one will overwrite the previous one. So how do we create dictionaries in Python? They are normally created with curly brackets, and you specify the key and the value. And to do that, I want us to take a simple example of let's say a dictionary called country A. And this country A, as we said, we're gonna use curly brackets. That is how we use you create the dictionary, and then the first element is the key. So just follow me. So the key is name, and obviously this is going to be Kenya, which is a string. So this is the key, and this is the value. Okay, so this is akin to, if you are into data analysis, this will be the column name, and this will be the data point. So the good thing about dictionaries, you can store multiple data types. You can store strings, float, integers, and even list. And I'm going to demonstrate that. So let's just have a country profile, monarchy. Of course, it's false, which is a boolean. And then we have year, which is year of independence, so 1963. So you can see each data point. So this is another key, this is a value, and then the last element is languages. So let's write formal languages, and here we're gonna use a list. So let's have a list. The first formal language is Swahili, and then the other formal language is English. So now we have created a dictionary called country A. It has got 4 keys. The first key is name, second one is monarchy, third one is year, and the fourth one is formal languages. And these keys can be used to call or access specific values. So these are the corresponding values. So if I run this and I do country A, it will give me, it will return all the, so these are the keys and these are the values. So I can access specific value by specifying the key. So I can say country, in this case I will say country A, and specify the key. I'm gonna access the year of independence, which is a string. I have theirs here, and you can see it returns 1963. So that is to do with the dictionaries. In the next video, I'm going to show you something more advanced about dictionaries. So feel free to subscribe to the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have a question, drop it on the comment box, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible.